Alright, I'm just going to do a unboxing of my brand new Sig P226 Combat threaded barrel. So this is a case. There it is. Comes with an instruction manual, another 15 round magazine, and there's one of the gun. It's pretty nice. I was looking at this or a HK USP 9SD, but I don't know, this one just fit my hand a little bit better, so I chose to go with this one. There's a reason why I got a threaded barrel, because I do plan on getting a suppressor sometime soon for it, start that process. In the box just comes with a lock, Sig band, and some lube. Nothing special. Let me set the camera down for a second. Alright. So here it is. Give you a little bit of close up. It's got the night sights on it. I haven't shot it yet. Just picked this up. So that's just a little look at it. I'll do a video on it later once I got some range time with it. So thanks for